Hey everyone, it's your real estate geek Andrew Finney here today. Today we're going to chat about how to buy a home with 1% down. No kidding, just 1% down. And to tell us more about this is going to be the lender genius, Bill Merren with New American Funding. It's going to come on next. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and give us those thumbs up and subscribe now. Tell us what you think in the comment section below. See you on the flip side. Bill, thanks for coming by the office today and giving us a scoop on how to buy a home with 1% down. And I'm dying to know, are you screwing with me or is this real? Because, I think this is going to excite the heck out of a lot of families out there today.
Yeah, so it's definitely an awesome thing, Andrew. And as always, thank you for having me on the show today. Guys, my name is Bill Merren with New American Funding. And no, I'm not screwing with you. Sometimes I wish I was, but but no, yeah, 1% down, guys, which is huge. You can actually come in and buy a home with the 1% down on a what? A conventional loan program. Mm-hmm. Not FHA, none of that, mortgage insurance for the life of the loan, but literally a conventional loan program with 1% down.
That's awesome. So tell us how this program works, the key benefits, any guidelines that we should know about, so that if they wanted to qualify for a 1% down loan, they know what they need to do next.
So no big surprise, guys, but there's 3 key benefits, right? And the first thing, obviously, 1% down. You can come in, buy the home with 1% down, which is huge, because it's going to open up the doors for a lot of people that may not have the 5% down, may not have the 3% down, but literally come in with a 1% down loan program. So that's the first key benefit. The second thing is depending on your geographic location, there may not be any type of income limitations, because a lot of different down payment assistance programs, they limit you on the amount of income you can make. So depending on where you're buying the property, you might not have any income limitations, which is freaking huge, because it might help a lot of people. Okay, so I'm glad that you brought that up, because now I know we were chatting a little bit before we came on camera today. So Bill, we were talking about how to buy a home with 1% down. We're talking about that now. You're giving us the 3 key benefits. Yeah. But a moment ago, you just said a couple of things. Mm-hmm. Okay. The first thing that you said is that there would be a monthly insurance premium for the life of the loan, or is that all until you get like 20% loan to value? Yeah, so that's on FHA I was referencing. FHA loans, they're great, man. I mean, they're for people that need them and they have a little bit looser guidelines. They're great programs, but the benefit, FHA versus this program, this program being a conventional loan program, the mortgage insurance does not stay on there for the life of the loan. It's cancelable, meaning eventually that mortgage insurance will go away, which is freaking huge. That is freaking huge. I mean, yay, and start cheering really loud, right? Because that's really good, no monthly insurance. So the second thing that you were talking about was the geographic region. I believe that you had said that Fannie Mae actually has a map for this. Yes. Called a low-income census tract, or a home readiness, or something. Yeah. So it's actually called the Fannie Mae Loan Lookup Tool. It's something that anybody can access online. Contact your lender. We'd be happy to do it for you. And we'll go ahead and provide the link in the show more section, by the way, too. Yeah. Awesome. And what you're going to see on there is you're going to see specifically. If you are in a low-income census tract, if you're buying a property there. If you are buying a property that's in a low-income census tract per that loan lookup tool provided by Fannie Mae, right? You don't have any income limitations, which is awesome. That is awesome. Yeah. So that's just raw. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm speechless for once, right? Yeah. So I think you said that's point 1, point 2. Yeah. Key benefit number 3. So key benefit number 3, and this is really big, guys, for qualification purposes. This loan program actually allows border income. What is that? Well, that's border income, right? I have no idea. Does it mean that I went to Taco Bell? Border income. That sounds good. It does sound good. But border income. What that is that is income from people that are moving in with you, that are currently living with you. They're going to move in, and you're going to collect rent from them to help you qualify for the loan. Oh, I get it. So we're not talking about like a border distinction between state lines border. We're talking about border as in room boarding, like BORD. BOARD. I'm a real estate agent, not an English major here. So go ahead. Yeah, so border income, guys, it can actually account for less than 30% of the total income needed to qualify for the loan, which is kind of an interesting number, but something that's really cool to help buyers qualify, and it might help you qualify if you've been declined somewhere else. Great, and I know that you said that you wanted to share with them today that there is 4 guidelines that we need to be aware of. Yeah. Go ahead and go into that. So, guys, the the 4 guidelines. The first one is credit score, right? Because we all kind of wonder, well, crap, man, my credit score isn't an 800. What do I need to qualify for this program? You need to have a 640. You need to have a 640 credit score, which is, if you're not there right now, don't stop you. That shouldn't stop you from contacting us, because in a lot of cases, I can help you get your score up. Just give you some advice on what I think and what I've seen helps get people's credit scores up. So 640 is the minimum FICO.
Cool.
Yeah.
What's next?
So credit seasoning dates. So from like bankruptcies, foreclosures, short sales, that type of thing. So essentially, you're looking at the same qualification guidelines that you would have on traditional conventional financing. And we actually have a separate video on that, which will break down all the specific details on that. So Andrew, to touch on those points really quickly, you've got 7-year wait time after a foreclosure, you've got 4-year wait time after a bankruptcy, and 3 years after a short sale.
For the conventional loan, right?
Correct.
Great. And so what was the guideline number 3 you're wanting to share with us?
So this is something that's pretty cool as well, and that helps you qualify, is debt to income ratio, right? It's a conventional loan, so typically conventional loans allow up to 45%, and that is most cases and how it's going to work with most people on this loan, but with compensating factors. Meaning other income that we might not be able to use, maybe significant assets, just different positive aspects of your overall loan profile. We can actually go up to 50%.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, debt to income ratio.
And just to be a little bit clearer and keep it really simple right here, if we're talking about debt to income ratio.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
And if we just use a fictitious number of $1,000, you're talking about up to a 50% debt to income ratio, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
So $500 a month.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Made it simple, right? Try to keep it simple.
Yeah.
So going in with guideline number 4.
So this is a really big thing on this program as well. So it has a lot of great benefits, and there's some things that you can't do. So things you want to just know is that 1% down payment, guys, has got to come from your own funds. So that 1% cannot be a gift. It can't be like just random cash you get thrown in your account. If you have that kind of stuff going on, give me a call first, guys, and I can kind of walk you through the steps and what we need to do. But again, that 1% has got to be your own funds.
So could it be mattress money?
It can. However, we need to have that mattress money seasoned in your account for at least 2 months.
Okay, got it,
Yeah.
got it. Well, I really appreciate you bringing up those great points, Bill. So a family right now is wanting to buy that home.
Yeah.
They want to get into it for as little as possible because we all hear that homes are going up,
Yeah.
rates are going up,
Yeah.
and if there's a loan program that the down payment's going down,
Yeah.
why not take advantage of it now?
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So if they want to contact you, how should they get a hold of you?
So guys, you can pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot me a text, give that phone number a call right there, text me, whatever you like, whatever you're most comfortable with. Or really the easiest way, guys, is go to that website right there. Complete the online application. Takes about 10-15 minutes. We can run the credit. We can kind of get the ball rolling and see what you qualify for.
Great. Really appreciate you coming by the office today. Tell us what you thought today of buying a home with 1% down in the comments section below. And if you've liked this real estate geekness with some lender goodness, please go ahead and give us those thumbs up and subscribe now. Thanks and enjoy an amazing day.
Thank you.